Oh my days.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. Yes. Come on.
Just turned up at this spot. Woohoo!
Oh my god, that's such a nice left. Look at that left, look. Oh, I'm so gassed.
Yes.
Okay, so quick update. We've got bored of our little campsite. It was nice, but it was really boring. There was no waves. So basically, we've decided to come and find a better spot, and we found this.
That is so sick. We've had a complete change of plans. We're not going to West Australia yet. Our friend Ulysse, this is his last couple of days here, so we're taking a surf week, literally 7 days of pure surfing along South Australia while our car's getting fixed. This is our last day with Ulysse properly, last proper surf day, big day. And we're gonna rip it hard because big finale to us. He's over there, topping off the cliff.
Bob didn't.
This is his last day.
Bob didn't have the most amazing session, so we're going to get him back into it, and I want to see some massive aerials on this.
This is Will's Jaws board.
So
weighs a ton, completely full of water.
So I'm about to explain to you what's happened to this. So
give me the rundown, Will.
I ruined the back of it here, right? So here where that fiberglass repair is, it's not great, but
It's a fill of car.
But yeah, I fixed that, and then later on, driving down the road, and mine and Bob's boards fell off the car. His is fine, mine's really not.
So what have we done then? What's the repair?
So instead of fiberglassing it all, because we ran out of fiberglass repair kit, we decided to use a thing called duct tape, very aggressively. So
Yes.
all of this is duct tape, and underneath 90% of this is foam, actually. So it weighs as much as like
Nose
a
as
big
well?
wave.
How about the nose? Is that, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's wrecked as well. But it weighs about as much as a big waveboard, but it's not a big waveboard. It doesn't ride it quite as nice as it used to, but
Should be right.
Bought a new one, so
She'll
carry
be
on.
right, yeah. Oh.
There's no good music. Done.
Will's already out there. Going for a little quick windsurf session for his birthday. Really nice out there. We're going to go right downwind because this cliff is making it really gusty at the moment. As soon as we get out there, we're going to blast downwind and see what will be. Heading back to Whyalla once again. Nothing's changed here. You kid. But yeah, had an amazing session. Now we're going back, man. I can't fit. No room for you. So it's the last day that Ulysse is with us on our adventure through the outback. So we're dropping him off at the bus station. It's a sad moment.
It's not a good day.
Yeah.
First name Ulysse.
Okay, so Ulysse, you got your bus ticket?
Yeah, I guess I had my bus ticket. Yeah.
The two, why?
Because I have 2 baggage, big bags.
So Ulysse is somehow going to skate with this bag, his big rucksack, for like 2 hours in Adelaide. It's going to be interesting. We would drive in, but this isn't our car, so we can't just take it to Adelaide. And our car's not going to be done till Tuesday, and his flight is tomorrow. So.
Goodbye, Ulysse!